Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very casual video. I did not even change my clothes for this one. So I was sitting down to make a plan for my July. Yeah, I am that person who plans everything. I like to plan my years, my months, my weeks, my days and all of that. I have to-do lists every single morning, so I know exactly what I'm gonna do that particular day. और सो दैट आई एम नॉट ओवरवेल्म विथ वर्क और मुझे एग्जैक्टली पता होता है कि मुझे क्या करना है दिन भर. और जो रात को जो ख्याल आते हैं व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्लीप कि ओ माई गॉड व्हाट आई एम गोना डू विथ माई करियर एंड हाउ इट्स गोना हैपन एंड ओ माई गॉड व्हाट एम आई डूइंग विथ माई लाइफ, ये प्लानिंग की वजह से कम होता है बिकॉज आई एग्जैक्टली नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग विथ माई लाइफ. Not exactly, but at least I have some sort of idea. At least I have a plan. I know what to do the next day. At least. So yeah, that's why I love planning, and planning has been an important part of my daily routine since I think 2018, and it has worked really good for me. So I was sitting here making my planner. I mean planning for July, and I thought I should share with you guys. I thought I should make a video so that you guys can plan with me. So what you're gonna need to plan your July month with me is nothing, any notebook, any diary planner, whatever that you use. I am currently using this one. If you're somebody who likes to type, you can use laptop or phone, whatever you like. I personally love handwritten stuff, so I use diaries and all of that. You can even use a simple piece of paper. Now I'm a little extra so I use highlighters and color pens and all of that. I am basically 8 years old because I use a hell lot of stickers and all of that. So you can completely skip it or you can use it and go all out. Whatever you like, you can make it as simple, minimalistic as you want, or as fancy and as extra as you want it to be. So yes, grab your paper, laptop, notebook, diaries, whatever, or your pens and stationery, and maybe something to drink, hot cup of chai or coffee or juice, smoothies, whatever. So grab all of that and let's start planning. Okay, so before I plan for my next month, I like to review my previous month, so I exactly know कि क्या क्या अच्छा हुआ, क्या क्या बुरा हुआ, क्या क्या better हो सकता है and all of that. So this is the spread that I'm using this month. I use different ones every month. से mood पे रहता है. This is how it looks like. I will make sure to post a picture so that you get a clear view of this. So I'm going to read one like a question, and you can write it in your notebook. You can use mine as a reference and draw a similar one, or you can keep it simple, or you can go a little extra, whatever you like. So you can, I will put a picture here, you screenshot it. Oh my god, kitty confusion. I'm going to post a picture here, like put a picture here, you take a screenshot of it so you have an idea, and then let's plan together. So the first question in June in one word. I will not be sharing all the answers, but few, why not. June for me was very hectic, I would say. There was a lot happening, and it got a little anxious beach mein, and so I think it was a little hectic. Happy hectic, but hectic. So you can write your answer. You can even pause this video and write if you want to write more. Okay, next one is highlights. So here you can write your highlights of the month June. Yeah, I'm going to write mine. Like I said, you can pause the video and write your answers. Okay, next question is things I learned. So write things that you think you learned this month. And somebody's here. Right, and I am back. So things I learned. Third, steps I took to get closer to my goals / dream life. So what did I do this month that I think is a step taken towards my dream life? Okay, I understand there is so much noise and all of this happening in the background today, but this is a very casual video. I just sat, I did not even change my clothes. So please bear with me. I hope you understand. Okay, tough moments and happy moments. So, ooh, okay. How to improve next month? What can I do to make my next month better than the last month? Okay. Okay, so I will quickly share a few things, like for example, make to-do list every single day. I have realized this, that when I make to-do lists every single day, I work better and more efficient, and my days are productive. So I have written what can I do to improve next month. I have written to have to-do list every single day. So I will make a to-do list for next day the previous night, so it really helps me. So I have written that, and stick to workout routines. So I started in one of my previous videos. I have talked about Chloe Ting's workout routine. So I started that. I did it for 12 days. It was a 14 days. So it was a 14 days challenge, 2 weeks. And I did 12 days really sincerely and seriously, but then on the 13th day I got my period, so then I couldn't work out on that day and the next day. And then I did not complete the Chloe Ting workout later, which I should have. So I have written stick to workout routines because I really need to. I'm at least going to work out for 15 days next week. I know it's not much, but छोटे steps, little steps every single day. So I have written few other things also right now that I can think of. Maybe I'll think about some more and then write it in. Then there is this general note section here that I'll बाद में see what to write in. So now about July. So this is how the I did not think that this video was going to be like this, I promise, but मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है. Anyway, so this was for the review page. Now we start planning for actual month. So this is how my cover this month looks like. I know I'm not quite an artist, but sure, I try. So this is my July ka page. And then there is this monthly chart. I hope you can see. I put a picture, you can take a screenshot of it. The first thing that I do is I write the key dates. Just say for example on 3rd July it's my little brother's birthday, so I will write that. It's my Maushi's birthday also on 3rd July. On 8th is my best friend's birthday. On 28th is my cousin's birthday. So I just quickly write the important dates. उसके बाद I will Google also कि और कुछ important days है क्या, so that I can put that also in the on the page. So yes, let's put down important dates for the July month. Okay, now that I have YouTube channel, I post videos on every Wednesday and Saturday. At least I used to. I'm not sure if this month I'll be putting videos on Wednesday. I will try to. But Saturday for sure I'm posting, so I will highlight the box Saturday ka, so that I know कि that day I am going to post a video. So yes, you can also star mark or whatever, highlight that particular box. And then once I know what exactly I'm going to post on that particular day, I will write in that box कि आज ये video मैं डालूँगी या whatever, however I feel like. Yeah, then that's it. Then I look for some other important events or other important stuff that I know is going to be part of this month and I have to get done with it. So I will quickly write इसमें. And then there is this छोटू box for notes here. So यहाँ पे भी write बाद में. In the beginning of the month, all these pages look really clean, but by the end of the month, I know I write so many things here. Anyway, okay, then the next page is about goals. I will put a picture, obviously. So now I'm going to write goals. Also, one thing, before I start planning for a month, I like to have a rough idea of what I want my month to look like. For example, this month I want my July to be a little more organized and little like also productive, obviously, but a little more organized. My last June month was quite productive, but it was hectic. And I know I can do a little better work with my organization and with my planning. So I want July to be a little peaceful and little organized and not messy and anxious. So I want to have plan. So yes, the whole point is goal for this month is for this month to be really organized and planned. So now about goals. So I write few things. For example, I write 3 main goals. Goals that are going to be a big, like major goals, 3 major goals, and then few minor goals. I try to cover all the aspects as many aspects as possible. Like for example, financial goals or career goals. What you wanna do aage, what you can do to make your career better and all of that. So that those goals, health goals, उसमें भी physical health goals, mental health goals. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि whenever we sit down to write goals, हम लोग बहुत बड़ी कुछ चीज़ें लिखते हैं. Your goal doesn't always has to be to buy a new car or to buy a house or to, I don't know, if you're an actor, maybe be part of 3 big plays and all of that. Goals can be really simple. Like for example, there is a person that you know gives you headache. There is a person you talk to and you know you're gonna end up in a bad mood, or a particular person that demotivates you and is not good for your mental health. Ignoring that person can also be in your goal. So make goals for your mental health as well, and physical health. So obviously make goals for it. कुछ भी हो सकता है. It doesn't have to be losing weight, gaining weight, anything. It can be about fitness, stamina, or a particular workout routine that you want to finish. So anything. So these are few aspects that I goal for. So I have lot of goals every single month, and most of them I try to achieve, and I really achieve. So I think I feel really good every time you finish something and then you get to tick it. That's my favorite kind of feeling. So yeah, that's it for the Budbud, and let's write our goals. You can pause the video here and write your goals and then come back to me. Start the video, come back to me, wow. And then you can start the video. I won't be possibly sharing this clip. Okay, there is also a section of must do's, want to do, and important events in the goals section this month. So obviously I'll categorize the goals that I've already written into these categories. कि must do मतलब ये होना ही चाहिए, कुछ भी हो जाए. Want to do is I really want to do it, so do it वाली category. Now the next part is habit tracker. I absolutely love this one. Again, I'll post the picture. So this month I have 11 habits that I'm going to put down here, and then I tick it. I will show you one from last month so that you have an idea of how to do it, how this works exactly. Yeah, okay, this one is very old. This is not from last month, and I did not even finish it because, oh my god, there is so much chaos in the background. I'm so sorry. I did not even finish it. I don't know why. It's very purana, but I'll show you how this works. So here are few habits that I have written, and उसके आगे मैंने टिक किया है on first, second, third, and all of that. So this is how you track your habits. So I have jagah for 11 habits this month that I'm gonna write, and then tick it every single day if I did it or not. The next page is called currently. So there are a lot of different categories here. Again, I'll put a picture. Currently I'm watching, currently reading, currently listening, currently working on, currently loving, and currently grateful for. So I'm gonna do it this जैसे जैसे month में आगे होता है. Then there is this expense tracker. This is how it looks like. There is this thing called no spend days. तो यहाँ पे I have written 31 dates, मतलब numbers, and just be then I don't even spend a single penny. I kind of color it. उसके नीचे there is date obviously and details and amount like any usual expense tracker. In the next page I have mood tracker. So I have drawn this stupid little thing And then उसके नीचे I have written few things. जैसे for example, if I color the one color that I don't know what to call it, heart, with red color, that means I had an angry or grumpy day. With green, disgusted and annoyed. Blue, sad. Pink, productive and energetic. Blue, dark blue, nervous, anxious, sick, tired, blah. Orange is average, and there's this I don't know what this color is called, neon yellow, highlighter का जो होता है ये वाला. This is for happy. So that so there is a mood tracker that I made. आगे is a sleep tracker. This is me. I'm trying this for the first time, but I really think I need to track my sleep. Because there are days I sleep only 2 hours, 3 hours, and there are days I sleep for more than 8 hours, 9 hours. So I really need to track my sleep. तो इसमें कुछ नहीं, there are numbers from 1 to 31 days of the month. और यहाँ से रात को 10 बजे तक सुबह 10 बजे से सुबह 11 बजे तक का है written numbers. So if I have slept 12 बजे and I woke up at 8, say at 8, I'll draw a line from 12 to 8, so I know कि मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक सो रही हूँ और कितना घंटा सो रही हूँ. So it's basically to track my sleep. And then that's it. फिर आगे there it's like we start with weekly spreads. So there is जगह for me here and here to plan for my week, to write particular goals, and then there are separate what to call it, separate boxes for each day to make to-do lists and to know, like to write what I'm going to do on that particular day. So this is how it looks like. So yes, that's it. That's how I plan for my July, and I hope you found this really useful and you had fun watching this video and planning for your July with me. I'm so sorry for the noises in the background. और आज तो मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है. Now I'm not even sure if I'm gonna post this because of so much of chaotic stuff. But let's see. Anyway, if you liked this video and you found this helpful and useful and motivating, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you would like for me to make more planning videos about like how I plan my weeks and days and all of that. I would love to make those videos, and I will promise to not for those videos to not be this chaotic. Okay, let's be honest. I am shooting this for I think third time. I tried to shoot this video yesterday, but पता नहीं क्या हो रहा था, angle कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा था. There was no light, so हो नहीं पाया. I started today in the morning. Like I started shooting today in the morning, और फिर पता नहीं वापस कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा था, so I couldn't do that. Then I started today in the evening, and फिर तो लाइन ही चली गई. Like there was no electricity in the house, so there was no light का source, there was no again बहुत गड़बड़ हो रहा था. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just sitting and planning and I'm going to shoot it. फिर let's just forget making it perfect, let's just make it the way it is, so much of noise and chaos. So that's why this video is a little off, but please understand, and I promise I will not make such chaotic videos आगे से. Yeah, that's it, that's my speech, thank you. But I hope you had fun. If you did, I said that earlier, didn't I? Whatever. Yeah, okay, bye. I'm too tired, yaar. I think I'm gonna cry after this. Bye bye.